Plastikan.
Wala namang plastikan, oy!
Ano plastikan? Ano?
Yes!
Ay, pinag mo siya on the spot. Tsaka
Bakit
sabihin,
lang?
ano,
Ano
in
naman?
between takes, yan ang pinag-uusapan.
Hala!
Baka si Sasa.
Sabi mo pa naman kanina, yung chismisa ng ano, di ba?
Ay, hindi po ako artista, influencer lang ako.
So,
Wala tayo-
linawin mo yan, wala naman siyang sinabi sa'yo na
Wala
mga
naman
plastic
po.
sa
Vibes
pamilya,
po
ha?
kami. Walang ganito naman.
Ay, wala talaga.
Ito na,
Promise,
na-headline
ha?
na tayo.
Kaya nga ako
Diyos ko
binash
po.
kasi sobrang straightforward ko, diba?
Oh, correct!
Diba?
I'm just kidding. Yeah, okay, Sasa.
Ito na po, kasi si Barbie, nasabi ko na rin sa kanya na medyo late na ako naging fan ni Mama. Alam kong magaling na talaga siya. Alam kong she makes good quality work. And sabi ko nga, nung napanood ko siya at nag-pay attention ako kay Barbie, sabi ko, ang galing talaga niya. Si ate kasi may bitaw talaga. Sa totoong buhay lang. May bitaw talaga siya. At alam mo, ang dami ko natutunan sa'yo, girl, ha? Kasi yung bitaw niya talagang madiin. Tapos, ginamit ko yun sa mga kaaway ko. Dahil, naloka sila, dahil. Kakaiba, kasi manamnam, emosyon, kumbaga. At saka, si ate kasi, hindi lang siya artista. Actor talaga siya. And, doon ko nakita na parang, dito, sa set na to, ang dami ko talagang matututunan. At sa mga past na naka-work kong magaling talaga na aktor, may nagsabi sa akin na ang aktor na magaling ay matapang. Kay Miss Pau, hello po. And matapang ka, girl. Ang lalang tabang mo, girl. At ang tapang mo dito, girl, promise. Kaya talaga, i-watch ninyo ng malala, promise. So, ayun po. Pasabog si Mama. Malala. Hard!
Happy birthday, ate!
Happy birthday!
Siyempre, kami birthday.
To my Star Magic family, I love you, I love you. Okay. Sasa!
Oh my gosh. Alam mo,
Nawala na yung train of thought ko. Nawala na talaga. Hindi. But I learned so much. Not just from Ate Barbie, but from all of them. Their work ethic, how professional they are. But specifically with Ate Barbie, there was one scene that you will see in the movie na talagang I caught myself just watching her. Feeling ko pinapanood ko na talaga yung movie because I was in awe of how she had prepared for the scene, first of all. And just all the emotion she was going through. I know you know what scene we're talking about. But grabe, she was just so free. She allows herself to use her body in any way. She never feels awkward. She's just so comfortable, and that's the level I also want to get into. And I was just in awe. Yun lang po talaga. And I know I will continue to be in awe of her and all her other roles. But yeah, it's been incredible working with all these amazing actors and actresses.
so nice.
Ano ba yun?
Ma-issue na naman tayo.
Oo.
Wala
Hindi,
po.
sinabi mo naman, walang nagpaplastikan sa Kapuso,
Hindi pa
sa
po ako
Jenny.
nakakapag-work with Kapamilya. Meron naman, pero hindi pa ako nakakapagkuha ng project with Kapamilya. So,
Doon sa ano, doon sa Rizal. Kapamilya sila ano.
yeah, oh yes. So, ayun.
Sila
In
Francine.
fairness naman sa sa mga kapuso talaga, wala talagang plastikan. Yun ang unang-una ko talagang nakita. So, pero wala akong sinasabing may plastikan sa mga kapamilya, no? Charot-charot lang, banter lang po yun.
So wala
mga
kang
kaibigan.
na-experience, personal na pinlastic ka ng
Wala naman.
Kasi namatay. Nakatrabaho mo, sila Pancet, di ba?
Yes!
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 Mamay isipin ng tao sila.
It was an experience. Sobrang happy ako na I get to experience a lot of things in the industry. So, happy naman.
So
diba?
sino
It's an
yung
experience.
yung sinabi mo na nakatrabaho mo na ayaw mo na makatrabaho dahil?
Wala akong sinabing ayoko na
Ay,
siya makatrabaho.
gusto mo pa uli kahit gano'n attitude nun?
I mean, syempre, pera yan. Wala tayong magagawa, di ba?
Okay.
Happy naman. I mean, hindi naman sa happy, pero parang okay na din na nakaka-experience ako ng ganun. Kasi di ba sabi nga naman nila, ang industry ay tough. Hindi
para
siya
mas
madali.
maging tough ka.
So, kung gusto kong maging artist talaga, I need to struggle. And nag-struggle ako sa maraming bagay dito sa industry natin and happy ako to that.
And nakakadagdag yun of me being an artist.
Ang dami kasi humula eh. Tinrace nila kung sino-sino yung mga nakatrabaho mo.
Oo.
So,
May nahulaan ba? May candidates?
May mga candidates.
oo.
Grabe na yan.
Yung dumarating ba ng ano?
Nagkausap nung actress or
Kaya
actor na
nga.
sinasabi mo na parang nag ano ba siya? Parang
Nag-reach
Oo.
out.
Oo, parang
Wala naman, wala after that, parang wala akong receive in my end. Wala naman siyang na-receive on my end.
okay.
I mean, na-receive sa my end.
Oo,
Pero hindi-
nakita niya.
I mean, yeah. I think wala naman, no reaction.
Pero siyempre Sasa, may nagsasabi din, parang ang hirap naman katrabaho ni Sasa. Ang dami palang ikakwento after.
Well, ako naman ay sinasabi ko lang naman ang katotohanan, di ba? At saka, alam mo yung...
Para matuto rin sila.
At saka yung mga storyang ganyan, reklamo na din yan ng mga production.
Ikaw lang nag-voice.
Wala nag-voice.
Marami, kasi ganito po yan. Ang industriya po namin ay stressful. Mahirap po ang pelikula at ang mga, paggawa ng kahit serye, pelikula, stress po yan. Mahirap po yan. At kung dadagdag ka sa stress ng mga tao, hindi mo iniisip yung kalagayan ng cameraman,
si JC.
ng PA, ng lahat. Selfish yun. So,
JC,
may nagsabi sa akin
sure
na
lang
kapag
kayo.
nung sinabi ko
Kaya
to,
ka pa hinihintay.
ano siya, ang tawag dito parang...
Oh, ayan na! Ay! Ayan na! Picture na muna! Picture!
Very out there, very straightforward. Ingrid is very, okay po. You know what I mean? So parang, siguro for Ingrid, just to let loose and allow herself to shine. Because she's still trying to find herself and siguro na i-influence din siya sa barkada niya or whoever's around her. Now I need to be like this, ganun, ganun, ganun. But she just needs to find herself. And she slowly does with this friendship. So, yun po. Yeah.
Ginawan ko siya ng kanta.
Anong kanta?
Na out now.
Anong kanta?
Ay, basta na. Basta. Ayaw magchika. Pero out now. Mahiyain. Yun na yun.
Craziest thing I did for love. I think it would be setting myself aside. Yeah. That's so crazy. Like, who would do that, you know? Ako. Oo na, narinig kita. Sino ka man? Oo na, okay na. Okay na.
Hoy! The craziest thing I've done for love, is I stayed. I stayed when it was so bad because I loved the person and I thought he would change. I thought he loved me enough to also change and fix himself. And nagstay po talaga ako until I lost myself. That's the craziest thing I've done for love. Nandito ko si nanay ko eh. Hindi. Wala pa akong jowa. Ano na tayo? Siguro, lang po, I grew up with a very big family and being around the people I love talaga. So, I just want all my loved ones to be there from Canada, from here, all the families that I've grown into. But, siguro, as long as it's a good husband, a good guy, and my family is there, I'm good. Basta, pwede ako sumayaw, good music, good food, masaya na po ako dun. Time sa taping na I was going through something and I was off, but I was trying my best to keep it in and not show it. But because of our connection, parang na-sense niyo agad eh. Na-sense nila, and my initial plan was to go home, finish work, be professional, go home and cry it out. But then they were like, no, let's all hang out. Let's just sit and talk. And I was there, and I was like, am I gonna tell them what I'm going through? And until eventually lumabas na siya, and umiyak kaming lahat. We were all crying together, and I was like, wow, I did not know this was where my night was gonna go, but it's one of my best memories ever during the movie. So yun po.